Oh, Summer, mag-usap tayo ha. Pag ang tao, pag ang tao depressed, ano yun? Fear of the past. Fear of the past. Fear of the past yun, Summer ha. Pag ang tao may depression, that is fear of the past. Pag merong stress, that is fear of the present, ha? Tapos, pag anxiety, that is fear of the future. Tandaan mo, Summer, ha? O, ulitin ko uli. Pag depression is fear of the past. Nandidila pa talaga. Grabe. Tapos, pag stress is fear of present. Then, yung anxiety is fear of the future. Yun. Kaya, ikaw, ano yung fear mo? So, sabi ng Bible, fear not, ha? Fear not, ha? For the Lord your God is with you. Okay, tandaan mo yun, ha? Tandaan nyo yun, ha? Oh. Oh. Ayan. Oh. With Summer. Tingnan mo sila, Summer. Tingnan mo sila. Oh. Maray ko, nanditila talaga.